Now this one's going to be a little quickie on the element. Last time I was down here, I actually put in a replacement cat pipe and a couple other things and some O2 sensors. I didn't buy these, but unfortunately these little Chinese sensors, they just aren't working properly. So we're getting check engine lights thrown because of that, unfortunately. So I've got some Denso sensors. Oh man, we're definitely getting some leakage through here too. I've got some Denso sensors I'm gonna toss in here. And then I'm also going to replace this ABS sensor because it is a bit torn. So hopefully that's not too bad. I know the O2s will be easy because it's only been in there for about a week. Well, the rear one came out okay. The front one is like seized. It's been in for a week, so I just clipped it off. I'm gonna get an impact socket now. Give myself the best possible chance of getting that out. This aftermarket cat pipe is just a piece of crap. This is ridiculous. There's like a ton of brass just totally melted in there now. And I cleaned that up as best I can. I'm not even sure if I'll be able to get my new O2 in there. This is ridiculous. Where did the... Well, I'll find where that went. I already pulled some brass out there. I'll have to find where the head of that thing went and show it to you. It was pretty boogered. Oh, it's still in here. Something very bad happened to that O2 sensor. And also, the tip of it is in the front of the cat now, which is probably not good. There's just nothing for it. I'm gonna replace this cat pipe. This thing's a total piece of shit anyway. I don't remember what brand this is. It's out of Canada. Don't buy one of these if you have an element. Yeah. That's pretty much all I have to say about that. So, I'm gonna move everything, get the element just back on the ground so it's not at risk of falling or anything like that, but that's really annoying. Don't buy crappy parts, boys and girls. All right, so there's the old new cat pipe. And it looks like the O-ring got pretty messed up too, unfortunately. So hopefully I still have the old one. Otherwise, whoops, might not have installed that quite right. I think that's actually the original, so I'll look for the replacement we got. But I have a Bosel cat pipe. Much better brand, so hopefully this fits properly. Here we go, put the new one on. We'll see, the hardware is getting pretty tired on the front mounts there, so fingers crossed. Bosel, better pipe, it didn't come with any hardware at all, which is pretty lame. It is blatantly absurd how much better a good quality part fits than a shit quality part. This China cat pipe we had on here came with this donut. Doesn't even fit. So I was able to flatten out and reuse the OE donut. Just crazy. So it all went together just fine. The rear actually doesn't use a flange gasket on the Bosel. It uses one of those swivel donuts. Again, I had to pull off my factory cat pipe because although the Bosel is great quality, it doesn't come with any hardware, which I don't like. So it's all back together now. Fingers crossed. It doesn't have a lock-unlock switch. Throwing this in the back. I don't condone returning car parts or anything almost ever, but in the case of that, absolutely. Holy crap, what a piece of crap. So let's see how she sounds. Sounds okay. Just about to take this thing for a drive and remembered I still have to do an ABS sensor. Shoot. Yeah. As you can tell, this is not going well. Now I get to pull the stub axle, which means I have to pull the wheel and tire. I really hate working on Hondas. These things suck. Got the map gas torch out. I actually was able to get it, so there's the remainder. Peeled a lot of it away with just map gas heat and a screwdriver. And then once I got it loosened up enough, there's enough ABS in there. It's not all glass fiber, so I was able to get it out. So time to toss the new one in finally. It's just ridiculous how far you have to go to do this, but whatever. Take two. Put the wheel lock key back so I don't forget.